Ever look in the mirror and feel your hair is auditioning for a sad rom-com? Yeah, me too. That's why I tried L3 Level 3 Styling Powder. Because sometimes your hair needs a little volume, not a miracle. Stick around for the next 2 minutes and I'll tell you if this powder actually saves your hair or just your dignity. So what is this magic dust? Basically, it's a lightweight hair powder designed for men who want a natural matte look. Think effortless style without looking like you smeared butter on your head. No oils, no greasy residue, just a subtle lift and texture. Perfect for the busy guy who doesn't have 15 minutes to fight with gel every morning. Here's how I use it. A little sprinkle onto my fingertips, rub it into the roots and boom, instant lift. You can even do it on damp hair if you want more volume. It's like your hair suddenly remembered it was supposed to be bouncy. The powder clings to your strands without weighing them down so your hair doesn't feel sticky or heavy. And trust me, your scalp won't feel like it just hosted a mini oil spill. This powder isn't trying to be a superhero for every hair type. It's best for straight to wavy hair and it works wonders if you want that messy textured second day hair look. Even on freshly washed hair, but if your hair is super curly or thick, it won't give you the strong hold you might need for structured styles. And a heads up for guys with dry scalp, use sparingly or you might see a little extra flake. After trying it for a week, my verdict: it's lightweight, smells decent, and gives your hair that natural casual look without any grease. Perfect for busy mornings, gym days, or when you just want your hair to behave without a fight. So if you're after texture, volume, and a matte finish that won't quit halfway through the day, L3 Level 3 Styling Powder is worth keeping on your shelf. Give it a try, you might finally have a hair day that doesn't make you want to hide under a hat. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.